In this video, we will see the benefits of bitter melon, bitter gourd, and how to prepare bitter gourd juice, which will help us keep our blood sugar under control. Take about 200 grams of organic bitter gourd. Wash it thoroughly in clean water. Cut the bitter gourd into halves. Scoop out the seeds and discard the seeds. Put them to a blender. Blend them to a smooth puree. Strain the puree. Transfer the contents to a glass. Drink the freshly made juice every day, early in the morning in an empty stomach. This will keep your blood sugar under control. Also, it will reduce your hba1v value. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Please also like, share and comment on our videos. Disclaimer: all information is for educational purposes only and is the personal view of the author, not intended as medical advice, diagnosis or prescription. This information has not been evaluated by the FDA and is not intended to cure or prevent any disease.